Okay, during this video we're going to complete cube number 9. We want to go up and select New, and we're going to make a part file, so click Standard IPT. And next we're going to select Start 2D Sketch, and we're going to draw this on the XY plane, so hover over the XY plane and select it. Next we're going to use our rectangle command. Select your rectangle command. We're going to draw a cube that's 5 by 5. So again, starting at the point of origin, we're going to click with our mouse button there, drag up and to the right in the positive direction and type in 5, tab 5, and enter. And next we're going to finish the sketch, and we want to extrude this 5 inches. So in the dialog box up here, select 5 or type in 5 and select OK. Next, we want to select the side that we're going to make the edit on or the subtraction from. So we're going to go to the front side of the cube and select it with your mouse, and then select the icon all the way to the right called Create Sketch. And we're going to be using the line tool. And I want to select up here in the upper left hand corner of the cube. Click on that with your mouse, and you're going to drag straight across. You want it to read 90 degrees or 0 degrees. And in the little window that's blue, we want to type in 1, because we're going to go 1 inch to the right, 0 degrees. So hit enter. Next I'm going to go straight down. I don't want it at an angle like this or like this, but straight down. The first window should read 90. In the blue window, you want to type in 1 and enter. We're going to repeat this same pattern all the way across until we get down to the bottom right corner. So now what I want to do is go directly to the right at 90 degrees. So your first window should read 90 degrees. Your second window, you want to type in 1 and enter. And again, we go straight down. Your first window should read 90 degrees. Your second window, we want to type in 1 and enter. We're just going to continue to do that. Type in 1 and enter. And again, straight down, 90 degrees, 1 and enter. 90 degrees, 1 and enter. And 90 degrees, 1 and enter. And one more time, 90 degrees, type in 1 and enter. Now, we want to drag our mouse up to the upper right-hand corner of the cube, and we're going to select with our mouse button there. And next I'm going to drag back to where we started here, to this little dot right here, the first 1 inch line that we drew, the end of it. We want to select that with our mouse. Next we're going to select Finish Sketch and Extrude. And we want it to go the other direction. So select Direction 2 in the dialog box and then select OK. And there is cube number 9.